Okay, hey you guys, so I'm already started one eye and we're going to go ahead and begin with the other eye. So the first color I'm going to be using is out of the Masquerade Mini by the Juvia's Place palette, and it is the Ada color. So basically I'm just going to go ahead and go in and lightly pat my crease area. I'm not going to swipe it, I'm just going to pat it.
I got Fruity Looty Bell with diamonds all up in the rain. I get possessive when you call a nigga name. I would not be disrespected, bitch, up in without the cane. My niggas reckless, young and restless off the chain. I got a bitch that like to ride, like Bunny and Clyde, from Alabama and go live, with Chroma green eyes. I told her, baby, you still love me, then show me you for me, pour down my dick and got the something, till I got the bustin', Miss Indiana, you a sinner. Look good for the cameras, but when I take her home to dinner, she hooded than ever, just skin peanut butter bun. I know that she down, cause everything will move around when the kid come around. I got Fruity Looty Pepper diamonds all up in the rain. I get possessive when you call a nigga name. I would not be disrespected, bitch, up in without the cane. My niggas reckless, young and restless off the chain. I got Fruity Looty Pepper diamonds all up in the rain.
Okay, so now I'm going in with the Warrior palette with that brown color, and I'm going to go ahead and pat that in my crease as well where I started with the Ada, and I'm just going to bring it up to meet that. And as you guys can see, I'm just patting it. You don't have to swipe on colors to get the pigments out of the color, so that's why I'm just taking my time and I'm just going to pat that in there to get the look that I'm going for. And yeah, just take your time, blend. You don't have to rush, just take your time. As you can see now, I'm going into circular little motions and I'm building it up and I'm bringing it up to the outer color to get the effect that I want to for this prom look. Okay, so now I'm going back in with the same brush with the Ada on it, and I'm just going around the edges of that brown to kind of smooth out the edges so it don't have a harsh transition effect. So yeah, I didn't put no more product, I just went in with the same brush.
I got Fruity Looty Pepper diamonds all up in the rain. I get possessive when you call a nigga name. I would not be disrespected, bitch, up in without the cane. My niggas reckless, young and restless off the chain. I got Fruity Looty Pepper diamonds all up in the rain. I get possessive when you call a nigga name. I would not be.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. This is so very tedious to me because it's so hard to perfect it. So just take your time and do whatever works for you when it's time for you to cut your crease.
Love me, they show me you for me, pour down my dick and got the something, till I got the bustin', Miss Indiana, you a sinner. Look good for the cameras, but when I take her home to dinner, she hooded than ever, just skin peanut butter bun. I know that she down, cause everything will move around when the kid come around. I got Fruity Looty Pepper diamonds all up in the rain. I get possessive when you call a nigga name. I would not be disrespected, bitch, up in without the cane. My niggas reckless, young and restless off the chain. I got Fruity Looty Pepper diamonds all up in the rain. I get possessive when you call a nigga name. I would not be disrespected, bitch, up in without the cane. My niggas reckless, young and restless off the chain. It ain't no difference in Michelle and Kenny as well, but one reside in ATL and the other in Canada. Them two fine ass red bones, dyking and shit, or make them crash if I ask. That won't share me for shit. My plan is just be patient. I know that you waiting, cause I been needing that vacation. And I'm coming to Vegas, my bustin' baby, she impatient. She white mixed with Asian, know how to ride a nigga dick. I can't wait till I make it. I got Fruity Looty Pepper diamonds all up in the rain. I get possessive when you call a nigga name. pimp without the cane. My niggas reckless, young and restless off the chain. I got pretty looted pair with diamonds all up in the rain. I get possessive when you call a nigga name. I would not be disrespected, bitch, a pimp without the cane. My niggas reckless, young and restless off the chain. I got pretty looted pair with diamonds all up in the rain. I get possessive when you call a nigga name. I would not be disrespected, bitch, a pimp without the cane. My niggas reckless, young and restless off the chain.
Okay, so now I'm going in with the topper. This glitter is from my glitter line. It's called Prom.
When you call a nigga name, I would not be disrespected, bitch, a pimp without the cane. My niggas reckless, young and restless off the chain. I got a bitch that like to ride, like Bunny and Clyde, from Alabama and go live, with chroma green eyes. I told her, baby, you still love me, then show me you for me, pour down my dick and got the sucking, till I got the bustin'. Miss Indiana, you a sinner, look good for the cameras, but when I take her home to dinner, she hooded than average, just skin peanut butter bun. I know that she down, cause everything will move around when the kid come around. I got pretty looted pair with diamonds all up in the rain. I get possessive when you call a nigga name. I would not be disrespected, bitch, a pimp without the cane. My niggas reckless, young and restless off the chain. I got pretty looted pair with diamonds all up in the rain. I get possessive when you call a nigga name. I would not be disrespected, bitch, a pimp without the cane. My niggas reckless, young and restless off the chain. It ain't no difference in Michelle and Kenny as well, but one reside in ATL and the other in Canada. Them two fine ass red bones, dyking and shit, or make them crash if I ask. That won't shut me for shit. My plan is just be patient. I know that you waiting, cause I've been needing a vacation, and I'm coming to Vegas. My bustin' baby, she impatient. She white mixed with Asian, know how to ride a nigga dick. I can't wait till I make. I got pretty looted pair with diamonds all up in the rain. I get possessive when you call a nigga name. I would not be disrespected, bitch, a pimp without the cane. My niggas reckless, young and restless off the chain. I got pretty looted pair with diamonds all up in the rain. I get possessive when you call a nigga name.
Okay, as you guys can see, I skipped the clip when I highlighted, contoured, and all that other stuff. So now I'm going back in with the Masquerade palette. I'm going back in with that first color out of. I'm going to put that in, and then after that I'm going to go ahead in with the Warrior palette with that brown. Now we're going to go ahead and do the lashes, and yeah.
I got pretty looted pair with diamonds all up in the rain. I get possessive when you call a nigga name. I would not be disrespected, bitch, a pimp without the cane. My niggas reckless, young and restless off the chain. I got pretty looted pair with diamonds all up in the rain. I get possessive when you call a nigga name. I would not be disrespected, bitch, a pimp without the cane. My niggas reckless, young and restless off the chain. I got a bitch that like to ride, like Bunny and Clyde, from Alabama and go live, with chroma green eyes. I told her, baby, you still love me, then show me you for me, pour down my dick and got the sucking, till I got the bustin'. Miss Indiana, you a sinner, look good for the cameras, but when I take her home to dinner, she hooded than average, just skin peanut butter bun. I know that she down, cause everything will move around when the kid come around. I got pretty looted pair with diamonds all up in the rain. I get possessive when you call a nigga name. I would not be disrespected, bitch, a pimp without the cane. My niggas reckless, young and restless off the chain. I got disrespected, bitch, up in without the cane. My niggas reckless, young and restless off the chain. It ain't no difference in Michelle and Kenny as well, but one reside in ATL.
So I just hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And it's beginner friendly. It's not that hard. It's very easy. So once again, thanks, and see you next time.